Hi, I'm Zach from the Duct Pros. Sneezing more than usual at home this allergy season? The problem may not just be what's outside, it could also be what's inside your air ducts. As pollen enters your home, it combines with the dust and debris already collected inside your duct system. Each time your air system runs, those particles can continue circulating throughout your home. Our professional air duct cleaning service removes that built-up dust, pollen, and debris from your duct system. The result is cleaner indoor air, reduced airborne contaminants, and a more comfortable home during allergy season. At the Duct Pros, we help create a cleaner indoor environment with professional air duct cleaning, your trusted experts in fresh air.